It's about 13 degrees right now and it's 7:38. So the snow has fallen and pretty much there's about maybe about an inch or two. So it's not as cold, but we're about to head out and go to Central Park and start there. We're here with Chris. And how was your trip in? You came in first, right?
The train was actually pretty peaceful.
Okay, yeah, it looks nice.
The snow made everything soft outside.
What do you think? It's like about 2-3 inches already dropped in?
It looks like it.
We'll start at the bottom, Central Park, go down 5th, see if we can get some shots even of the Chrysler Empire. Doubt it, but if anything, we'll get some street action, get some wide street shots, and then work our way down to the Flatiron. But yeah, it looks like it's accumulating. So hopefully we can get a couple of shots in before the 2 o'clock mix with sleet and stuff. So let's see how it goes. There, good?
You feeling it?
Yeah, no, we've done a few 5th Ave. Now we're gonna get off 5th, go to Park, try to get some shots down there. Hopefully take a little break. We've been at it for about an hour and a half, so
gonna hit the slopes.
Let's do it. You know, I realize I'm not that blind. I think it's just the goggles, you know?
He's crazy. He's a madman.
Probably need your blower. What's up, man?
It's the fuel.
Fuel. Can you tell that that's the large library there?
Oh yeah, definitely.